Riri igoti karu ritanyitwo kurekereria gitumi gia guteaniria uhotani wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta muthenya wa rucio. Atongoria a ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro kugerera mubunge wa Mavoko Patrick Makau ni maugite itua ria igoti karu ni riagiriirwo guteo, makiuga ni mararinyita mbaru.
Our judges, we are going to defend judiciary and we stand by that. If we start mutilating the constitution, then it means we are throwing Kenya to the dogs.
Is they are conducting a judicial coup in Kenya to remove the judges who did not rule in their favor. We have come here to say no.
Nake Musalia Mudavadi, uria ni umwe wa atongoria a mung'ethaniro, niaugite hari bata a Kenya magie na wetereri wa gitumi kiria giacungireirie maumirira macio guteanirio, akiuga mirurungano iria iguthiaga na mbere ndiagiriire ona hanini.
As NASA, we want to appeal for calm in the country, and we want to appeal that people respect the rule of law so that the country holds even when we are going through this challenging time.
Judge Mwilu, the Deputy President of the Supreme Court and Deputy Chief Justice. In fact, I can tell you, if she was not wearing, if I meet her here in Avasha and she's not wearing that regalia, I may not even recognize her. So again, the truth of the matter is that I've never met her in private. I've never met her in any place, anywhere, other than in a courtroom.
Nao abunge matiganite kuma kiama kia Jubilee ni moririe a Kenya mathingate thayo handu ha kururungana.
Kiria marenda ni kurega gwikwo githurano kugia na mbara bururi-ini, one kana ni kuingira thirikari uria ingirire 2007 na njira ya haro. Na tukiugite ithui twi tayari gwika ithurano umuthi, rucio, mweri 17 kana muthenya ungi o wothe IBC ekuona haria hagiriire. Ithuĩ twi tayari guthie githurano-ini.
Maya mokite ihinda inini thutha wa igoti riri gukorwo rikimenererio gwituika ati amwe a majaji ni mari na micemanio ya keheri-ini na mawakiri a mung'ethaniro. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nie njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.